Hello and welcome to Jadavik's tutorials. I am Joy Oshoyomi, and today's tutorials will be on auto captions. Some call it captions, some call it subtitles, but I'm tagging it auto captions, meaning automatically generated captions. We're going to be using a simple software which I will be introducing to you shortly. I believe you want your videos to be more appealing. I believe you've seen videos such as these where you have text for you on the videos. These are text versions of the spoken audio on those videos. So stick with me while I take you through the process. So I would be launching CAPCUT. Now, whatever video you want to transcribe, because the text are transcribed automatically, whatever video you would love to transcribe, so you're going to be uploading to CAPCUT. So there's the plus sign. You click on the plus sign to start a new project, then you select your video. So this is what I selected. So I've got good news for you. As you can see, Barbie AI generator NG is trending. That's my most recent effect, and it's currently trending on TikTok. Go use it, create content so you can also trend alongside. Thanks guys, thanks for engaging, thanks for using my effects. I really am grateful. Thank you. So I need the app to transcribe all that I said. Now it's not 100% accurate. You will see some mistakes. On the average, say like 70% accurate. So all you need to do is edit the auto captions. So now I'm going to click on the video. You can see the icon auto captions. So you select whatever animation you want to use. There are lots of them that are free. So I'll be selecting the first one. Now CAPCUT is creating it. As you can see, CAPCUT is creating it. Now it's done creating the auto captions. So you can see the words that I spoke. Now you'll notice it said Barbie AI. What I meant was Barbie AI, artificial intelligence, AI. So I need to edit that. So you would actually come across things like that where it's interpreting what you said to be something else, whereas what you meant was something else. All you need is just go into the app and edit. So we want to go in and be sure it's actually in order. Now there are fonts, there are styles, effects, animations, different things for you to choose from to beautify it. So I picked this simple one. So you can see Barbie AI. What I said was AI. Now it's the machine. Okay, so it's speech recognition doing this. So it's not as if it's 100% accurate. So I would be editing the Barbie AI that I can see here. So what I want is Barbie AI. So there's this icon for edit. So you tap on it to edit it. So first off, you need to split. You split it, then you edit AI. So I just did that, Barbie AI. So you can see it's showing Barbie AI. Now, I would need to delete the remainder because what came up from the auto transcription is Barbie AI generator NG is trending. Oh, who is sending me messages? It's trending. So being that I want it to bring up these words as I'm saying them. So I've got good news for you. Barbie AI generator NG is at the time trending. I'm saying it, let it show, let there be no delay. Generator NG is. So I need this to be on point. When I say Barbie, let Barbie be displayed. When I say AI, let AI be displayed. No dragging, no delay of some sort. So I would need to also adjust all of that. So the splits icon is what you use. I think it's a button at the bottom. You use it to split it and then you edit. So because I want just Barbie AI generator to come up as I'm saying it, I need to edit that. Now for NG is trending, I need NG to show up, not NG is trending. So I need to delete is trending. With time you would master it. So I need to delete is trending. I also need to delete Barbie AI generator, okay? So I've deleted Barbie AI generator. Now I'm left with just NG. Now for the other parts that we split, I also need to delete the Barbie AI generator NG because I want is trending to also be displayed, as when I say is trending, not NG showing when I'm saying is trending. So those are the editing you need to do. Barbie AI, so I need to delete. You need to just go in and edit all of the auto captions until you get the right thing, until everything is in order, until a situation where you have the words you're saying are being displayed at the exact time, no extras, no delay. So that's it. Auto captions on CAPCUT. Go try it out, and if you found this useful, like, comment, share with a friend. You never can tell who needs this. I'm sure you've been seeing lots of these kinds of videos out there and you do not know how to go about it. So this is the time for you to embrace change your videos, make them more interesting. Okay, add captions to them. You might want to call it subtitles. Add it. CapCut has free tools, but there are other tools you can use. Even Instagram Reels also has an inbuilt tool. Then some other time I would share a tutorial on that. But for now, it's auto captions from CapCut. Go try it out, create content, make your videos more interesting, make them catchy. Thanks for watching.